Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing both headset and computer. Enable developer mode in the Oculus mobile app so the Quest accepts sideloading. Next, install ADB drivers or SideQuest on your PC. These tools communicate with the headset. Make sure the headset is charged above 50% and connect it with a USB-C cable. Once done, accept the USB debugging prompt inside the Quest so your machine can push files. This step unlocks the ability to install Android packages. Now you install the core Android components and the Play Store APK. Open SideQuest and transfer the required APKs, GMS Core, Play Store, Play Services, selecting ARM64v8A builds. Once transferred, switch to the headset and grant unknown sources and any runtime permissions for each installed package. Make sure to install Play Services before Play Store. The order matters because services provide APIs the store requires. If SideQuest shows errors, finish by launching the Play Store inside the Quest and signing into your Google account. You may need to accept terms and complete a verification step. Then reboot the headset to let Play Services initialize and auto-update. Make sure to update Play Services from the store if apps crash. If something goes wrong, check permissions first, then re-sideload the failing APKs with SideQuest or ADB. If persistent issues remain, backup data and perform a factory reset as a last resort to clear corrupted installations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.